Today on the Hardy Mind channel, 5 easy ways to become more charming. Do you want to be more charming, but don't know how? Are you afraid that you might come as trying too hard or even fake? Being charming doesn't just mean being friendly and polite. When you're charming, you have the ability to make people like you, trust you, and want to be around you. And that's a valuable skill to have no matter what situation you find yourself in. Whether you're trying to close a business deal or simply make a new friend, being charming will help you succeed. Make sure to watch this video till the end, as we will present you with 5 easy to implement techniques so you can become more charming, without feeling like you are trying too hard or faking it. Also, if you are new here, please subscribe to the Hardy Mind channel for more relationship psychology videos. A study published in the Harvard Business Review found that students who were rated as charming by their peers were more likely to be successful later in life. On the flip side, students who were described as unpopular or complainers were more likely to experience negative outcomes, such as job loss and divorce. In other words, if you want to set yourself up for success, learning how to be charming is a good place to start. Unfortunately, charm isn't something that you're born with. It's something that you have to learn. But don't worry, it's not as difficult as it sounds. Here are 5 techniques on how to be more charming. 1. Smile often. Smiling not only makes you more attractive and approachable, but it can also make you feel happier. When you smile, your brain releases neurochemicals such as dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, which can improve your mood and make you feel happier. And when you're feeling happy, you're likely to be more charming to others. In a study published in the journal Emotion, researchers found that people who smiled more often were seen as more attractive by others. The study participants were shown photos of different people, some of whom were smiling and some of whom were not. The participants were asked to rate the attractiveness of the people in the photos. The results showed that the people who were smiling were rated as more attractive than those who were not smiling. Another study published in the journal Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that when people smiled, they were seen as more likable, warm, and competent. In the study, participants were asked to watch videos of people who either smiled or did not smile. The participants then rated how likable, warm, and competent they thought the people in the videos were. The results showed again that the people who smiled were rated as being more likable, warm, and competent than those who did not smile. So, if you want to be seen as more attractive and likable by others, start smiling more. Not only will it make you feel happier, but it will also make you seem more charming to others. Before we move on to the next point, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Let's continue. 2. Make eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful tool that can be used to convey many different emotions, including interest, warmth, and sincerity. When used in combination with a smile, it can make even the shyest person feel more at ease and help to create a positive first impression. In fact, research has shown that eye contact is one of the most important factors in establishing trust and rapport. Here are some tips on how to use eye contact to be more charming. Make eye contact when you first meet someone. This will help to create a connection and show that you are interested in them. Keep eye contact while you are talking to them. This will help to create a sense of rapport and make them feel like you are listening to them. Use eye contact to convey your emotions. If you want to show that you are interested in what the other person is saying, give them a warm smile and maintain strong eye contact. If you want to show that you are uncomfortable or tense, break eye contact occasionally and glance down at the floor or away from the person. Be aware of your body language when you are making eye contact. Make sure that your body is open and relaxed rather than closed off or defensive. For example, uncross your arms or lean in towards the other person. So, if you want to be effortlessly charming, make sure to make eye contact. It's a simple way to connect with others and signal your interest in them. I hope you are liking this video and finding a lot of interesting points. We have 3 more to go, so keep watching, as those might be the most important from the whole list. 3. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is one of the simplest, yet most effective ways to be charming. When you show genuine interest in the person you are speaking to and focus on what they are saying, it makes them feel important and appreciated. This is particularly true for people who enjoy talking about themselves. Listening attentively demonstrates that you are interested in them as a person, not just as someone who can provide you with information or entertainment. To be a good listener, you need to give the speaker your full attention. This means putting away your phone, turning off the TV, and making eye contact. It may also mean refraining from interrupting or offering advice unless asked for it. Paraphrase what the speaker has said to ensure that you understand them correctly, and ask questions if you have any. Listening attentively makes the speaker feel valued and respected, which can make them more likely to want to establish a relationship with you. In addition, it can also help you learn more about the person and find common ground to build on. By being a good listener, you create a positive first impression and lay the groundwork for a productive conversation. 4. Ask questions. When it comes to being charming, nothing is more important than asking engaging questions. This helps build rapport with others and makes them feel heard and appreciated. In fact, research has shown that people are more likely to remember information if it is presented in the form of a question. Not only does asking questions make others feel appreciated, but it also allows you to learn more about them. In doing so, you can create a deeper connection with them and show that you are truly interested in getting to know them better. To be an expert question asker, follow these simple steps. Pay attention to body language. When someone is not interested in answering your question, they will often exhibit cues such as crossing their arms or looking away. If this happens, try another question instead. Keep your questions open-ended. This will allow the other person to provide a longer response, which gives you more opportunity to learn about them. Closed-ended questions tend to produce one-word answers, which can be boring and unengaging. Avoid yes or no questions whenever possible. Asking someone a yes or no question typically results in a short answer or none at all, which does not give you much insight into the person's thoughts or feelings. Instead, try asking questions that require a longer response. Be aware of your tone of voice. When asking questions, it's important to sound interested and engaged. Avoid sounding judgmental or condescending, as this will only make the other person less likely to want to answer your questions. Pay attention to the conversation as a whole. Don't just focus on asking questions. Be sure to listen carefully to the other person's responses as well. This will show that you are truly interested in what they have to say, and that you value their opinion. By following these tips, you can start becoming more charming by simply asking questions. Not only will this make the other person feel good, but it will also help you get to know them better and build a stronger connection with them. We are almost there. I hope you find this list really helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about relationship psychology. 5. Practice random acts of kindness. When it comes to being charming, one of the most important things to remember is that it's not all about you. In fact, one of the best things you can do to become more charming is to focus on others. One way to do this is by practicing random acts of kindness. There are a few reasons why random acts of kindness can help you become more charming. First, when you do something kind for someone else, it makes them feel good. And when someone feels good around you, they're going to be more likely to want to spend time with you. In fact, research has shown that doing something nice for someone can actually make them like you more. Second, when you do something kind for someone else, it shows that you care about them. People like to feel valued and appreciated, and when you do something kind for them, it shows them that you think they're worth your time and effort. This can make them feel special and important, which will make them more likely to want to spend time with you. Finally, random acts of kindness can help you connect with people on a deeper level. When you do something kind for someone, it opens up the opportunity for a deeper conversation. You'll be able to learn more about them and their interests, and they'll be more likely to confide in you. This type of connection is key in developing strong relationships with other people. So, if you're looking to become more charming, start by doing some random acts of kindness. It's a simple way to make others feel good and connect with them on a deeper level. And this is it for today. We hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Hearty Mind channel. And for more related topics, make sure to watch the recommended videos next.